I have 10 minutes to do this. But first, hello sunshines, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Today I'm just gonna be doing a quick get ready with me, very quick and simple. Just my usual daily minimalistic type of stuff. See this hair? I woke up like this. I haven't done anything to my hair, anything to my face. So we're gonna do all that now. But before we get started, I wanna thank Fabletics for sponsoring this video. I'm not able to work out early in the morning like I prefer, but I will be working out later this evening before dinner time. That's the agreement I have with my husband. So today I am wearing this sick Fabletics outfit that I am obsessed with. And I've been trying to hold off on wearing it so I can feature it in this video and take a couple of pictures. But before I show you that, let me just quickly moisturize my face because this is what I typically do. I like to moisturize my face first and then do my hair and then lastly do a little bit of makeup. Again, I'm not doing a lot today because I'm just going to the park with the kids right now and then doing some food shopping and then working out later. So I'm gonna be sweating, so not doing a lot to my face. Right now, I'm applying my DERMA Radiant Glow Oil. This is my oil that I collaborated with DERMA. It has awesome oils in it that I combined. Jojoba oil, argan oil, sea buckthorn oil, vitamin E, pumpkin seed oil, good stuff. So I take a few drops of that. We're having a humid day in Austin, Texas right now. But typically the weather here is more on the dry side in comparison to what I'm used to as a New Yorker and as a Caribbean girl. I hear some people here in Texas complain about humidity from time to time and I'm like, you have no idea how good you have it. I dropped oil on my shirt. No, I hate when that happens. I can fix it, but I hate when that happens. Now I'm gonna take this DERMA Scar Cream, which has SPF 35, and I really like how it looks under makeup. So I'm just putting that on my entire face. And as you can see, I am a woman of color. And this did not make my face all white and chalky like other SPFs do. And at the same time, this has awesome natural ingredients that will treat your scars so that you can lighten any dark spots or hyperpigmentation on your face. I washed my hair yesterday, but I have been deep conditioning. So even though I deep conditioned overnight yesterday, I know that I'm gonna work out this evening and I'm gonna be doing a heavy, sweaty one. So I didn't wanna wash my hair before working out if I know I'm gonna have to wash it after working out. Deep conditioning on the go is my jam. So I'm just gonna spritz my hair with some water now and add some more of my deep conditioner, leave it in throughout the entire day until I shower and wash it off later. I have a little bit of this mask left, so I'm gonna basically use it all up right now. It's so good. It has fenugreek in it and other awesome ingredients to help grow my hair. Yum! I'm doing a low bun today, and because I have bangs, I don't want my bangs to pop out from the low bun, which is very possible since the bun will be low and not high, so my bangs won't be tucked inside the bun. So on days like today, headbands are perfect. And to prevent hair breakage, I'm using these hair ties. They're like the curly, elastic ties that don't break your hair and won't get tangled in your hair. This is one of my new obsessions. I bought a pack of these. Obviously this isn't new, I've seen this around, but I never understood why people liked it. And for some reason, because it's spiraled like this, I thought that it wouldn't work on curly hair. I thought that it would just get tangled in my hair because of the way it looks. Very intimidating, but to my surprise, it's incredible. It doesn't break any hair. Don't know how it works, but it works. I'm also using one of these clips. It's supposed to replace like 15 bobby pins. Instead of using bobby pins, you just clip this into your hair in this motion. There we go. I'm deep conditioning on the go and nobody has to know. I washed my hands, and now for makeup, I'm keeping it very simple like I said, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply my favorite concealer. This is the Ilia True Skin Serum Concealer in the color Mesquite. Simple as that. If I wasn't taking pictures later, I wouldn't do this next part, but because I am, I'm going to take another concealer. This is the Beauty Counter Dark One Concealer, and I'm going to just use it in my problematic scarring areas, just to fade away some of those scars while still maintaining my natural look. I went to the dentist last week, and I have another dentist appointment next week, and the swelling and the bruising that I had on this side of my face just went down. You can still see a little bit of green bruising right here. This is where my dental work happened, and I can feel the sensitivity right here on this side of my face, and I have to do it again next week on this side. So this side is going to be swollen. When I was a little girl, I fell with a cup of milk or something, and I chipped this tooth right here in the front, and the edge of it forever stayed stained yellow. Thankfully, it wasn't the whole tooth, just a piece of it. And I've always been self-conscious about it, and the dentist did a little work on that one as well and fixed it up a little. I can still see it in my mirror, but it's much better than it used to be, so I'm not complaining. Now I'm taking this Jane Iredale powdered foundation. This is in the color Warm Brown. And I'm just applying a little bit in this area right here to balance everything out with the concealer. I'm also trying this new setting powder by Kosas Cosmetics. This is the Cushiony Cloud Set. And I'm only focusing that under my eyes where I applied the concealer and on the sides of my nose. On my brows, I'm keeping it simple. This is the Zuii Organic Eyebrow Definer in the color Taupe. I know it's not just me, everyone has a good brow and a bad brow. This is my good one, this is my bad one. This one always gives me issues because it's naturally higher than this one, and it doesn't grow hair as evenly as this one does. This is the Undone Brow Marker thing, and I'm gonna just try to balance it out right now. Adding a little definition on my nose with this Jane Iredale Contour Kit. I've been obsessed with this new mascara by Ooyy. This is the Limitless Lash Mascara. The wand is so cool. It has a regular wand all around, but then it has like a comb right on one side, so you can comb your lashes and extend it. So after I use the regular brush part, I use this little comb and extend my lashes even more. How cool is that? See those lashes? On my cheeks, I'm taking it way back to the beginning of my channel, really. I used to use this blush all the time, for those of you who are OG watchers. This is the Mineral Fusion Harmony blush, but yeah, I used to use this a lot, so I brought it back. This adds a really nice glow to my skin without it looking like an overwhelming blush color. Adding a little bit on top of my nose for that bronzy look. I'm adding a little bit of highlight just because I'm obsessed with this one right now. I just bought it at Sephora a few days ago. This is the Ooyy Starstruck Daylight Highlighter, and it's so pretty. So first off, I take a little bit on my finger to put on my nose, but on the bridge of my nose as well. Blend it out a little bit, and a little on my cheeks. Last step, this is the Tata Harper Lip and Cheek Tint in the color Very Naughty. You guys know I love this stuff. And it's very, very red, so I just need a little bit on my finger, and I'm plopping it on my lips. You can use a lot, you can use a little, but it always looks good. And I felt like wearing something a little bit more red on my lips today just because of my pants, which I'm gonna show you right now. Everything I'm wearing today is from Fabletics. This is a top that I got oil on, but don't worry, I'm gonna take that off in a second before I leave, but I wanna hurry up and film this part for you guys. I have another one in blue, which I also love because I can wear this with black leggings or gray leggings. I think it would look really nice with black or gray. It has this long wrap that you wrap around your body. Very yoga vibes. So it has this long string like this, and you can definitely tie it this way to crop to your body and then wrap around like this and tie it here if you like. But for my own preference, I like to tie it in a way where it's not showing a lot of my belly here because that's just not my comfort. I want to wear a crop top, but I don't want to show all of my belly. So the way that I tie it is just by flipping it across like this and then tying it around to the side, which is the way I prefer because it kind of cinches my waist a little bit without exposing my belly too much since the pants are high rise. Boom. Okay, don't look at the chaos behind me. Look at these pants. These are the leopard pants that I am obsessed with. They are so cute, so comfortable. They're the power hold style and they're high rise. The back has this netted pocket hold here so you can put your phone in. I love it. Kids are waiting, I'm ready to go. I'm gonna go to the park with my kids, which is actually one of my favorite things to do because it allows me to have fun with them and also be active myself. So I'm gonna get going. Bye, sunshines.